General Mazlom Kobane is the most senior official in this Kurdish region of Syria, an ally of the West and a man who now feels let down. He told Sky News that Turkey's recent incursion into the area is undoing everything he and the Western coalition have achieved.
The danger of the resurgence of ISIS is very big, and it's a serious danger. I think there are many people who don't know this, but it's true. The Turkish aggression opened the space and provided hope for ISIS members. And the cities that Turkey entered will be a base for ISIS to reform itself.
And he made an extraordinary allegation against a NATO member country. He claimed that not only was Turkey allowing ISIS to return, it is encouraging it.
So this is a very serious allegation. You're suggesting that a NATO member is actively encouraging ISIS to return to an area that you and the coalition removed them from. Is that right?
Yes, it's a big allegation, and there's evidence of it. Many people know it, not just ISIS members, but also former members of al-Nusra and al-Qaeda fighters who we fought against in 2013 and 2014.
The Turkish government says such claims are preposterous. But footage like this, filmed in northern Syria, is, say the Kurds, proof that Islamist jihadists are fighting alongside the Turkish army. And in the middle of all the fighting are the prisoners of the Islamic State, held by Kurdish guards who admit they can't do this for much longer.
What's your message to the governments of Europe?
We repeatedly told them they have two choices: to take back their prisoners and put them on trial, if they can do so, or to set up an international court here, because we can't hold them forever.
Has either of those plans got any traction?
No.
So is there a risk that we could see further ISIS spectacular attacks in the West as a consequence of inaction, indecision by the West in your region?